terminal posts into the gaskets, then fix them onto the upper cover. Install the copper bars onto the circuit breaker. The terminal post screws need to be fixed with nuts, and the circuit breaker needs to be secured. Place the back panel flat. Insert two side panels on both sides of the back panel, with the 90-degree angle facing downward and the longer part of the side panel facing forward. At the same time, insert one lower partition panel into the rear end of the side panel. At this point, the basic support has been formed. Then, fix the side panels with screws but do not tighten them completely. Next, fix the lower partition panel, install the base panel, drill screws round the perimeter of the base panel, and finally install the foam wheels. Install the partition board. The side with the triangular holes should be on top. Place the peripheral epoxy boards in sequence, then insert the positive and negative terminal sockets. Place the battery cells and epoxy boards in sequence. Then insert the epoxy board with the connecting strips and the fixing frame, and attach the fixing screws. Insert into the JKESS, install the locking fixing nut, and temporarily leave the total tightening nut unfixed. Install the protective plate and the battery connection line. Connect the smaller end to the protective plate. Attach the protective plate to the partition board, and connect the copper busbar and the total negative connection piece of the protective plate. Insert the JKESS wires into the protective board according to the corresponding colors. Install the copper strips at the tail end. Insert the switch into the front panel. Remove the screen protection tape. Attach the screen to the panel, and connect the switch to the protection board. Close the upper cover and connect the protective plate to the positive terminal of the battery. Installation is complete. The screen on the startup screen lights up. Finally, all the screws of the box are securely fastened and locked.